At Modulight, our dedication to quality is steadfast. Our automated manufacturing processes are fully traceable in Modulight Database (MLDB). Our manufacturing execution system has frequently been quoted to offer better traceability and control than any other seen by our customers. Take, for instance, our Extron MOCVD reactor, equipped with 12 wafer trays accommodating wafer sizes ranging from 3 to 4 and 6-inch wafers. These impressive production tools not only offer large production capacity, but first and foremost, they are designed for highest levels of reproducibility, control, and product quality. Modulight's ISO 13485 certified management system secures that the closely regulated and demanding products, such as our cancer therapy lasers, meet the stringent regulatory requirements of medical devices. Our flexibility extends to scaling volumes and tailoring testing protocols to precisely align with each customer's case.